Whoop, whoop.
Hello guys! Okay, today we are going to do teardown of the Mini. And a lot of people ask us how to replace the tire. We will document this now and it's really easy. So yeah, let's see how it holds up. How much is kilometers?
Almost 1250.
1250, okay. Still no leakage or anything? A lot of crashes later, huh?
Yeah, a lot of.
Yeah, it's really close, huh? Yeah.
And everything looks dry.
Yeah, it's really dry. That's
Still
nice.
jumping good.
Yeah, and the tires really.
It's done.
Yeah.
It gets dangerous.
So, okay, let's start it. We're gonna put the original tire that are on a lot of 16 inches or 12 inch, how you want to say it. On the extreme, we have the same. And it's this one. Yeah. So these four. Then you remove this. Take this off. Yeah, let's put it at the side. Yeah. So these are the better ones.
Yeah, the long ones.
Oh, the
it's
same.
all the same.
They're all the same. These four, so these four. Like this, yeah. And then these four for the battery case itself. Yep.
Die beugels moeten erin zitten. Je klos draaien. Nu?
Yeah. Also the bumpers or the handles. They're all the same length. So we're just gonna remove this and also the top one. We need to do this also, and they are a little bit smaller. So that is the size 3. As you can see, it's 3. Let's take. Put those in another. So as you can see, it's very simple to do, and you do the same process at the other side. And then after you remove everything from the top, here, everything is from the top. Now we're gonna take the 2 big, long iron rods, or is it aluminum? I think it's iron, yeah. So this with a big flat screwdriver, like so.
Weer solder?
Yeah. See. Hey. Yeah, my son is learning how to maintain the EUCs. Yes. Let's see if they are still straight, huh? And not bent too much. Sometimes it goes a little bit harder, maybe from the dirt on the.
Vast voor going.
Ah, okay. You can also put something in here if you don't have a big flat screwdriver, as you can see, okay? You can put like this and then turn it. Also
Like this,
possible.
and then
Yeah.
this.
You can also do this if you don't have a big flat screwdriver. Yeah. Pull it. Yeah. Okay. We need to put some grease on there after we put it together. And are they straight? Yeah, they're fine, okay.
Look good, huh?
Let's see the other one. Yeah. It's good, huh? And Jörg, how do you ride this wheel? Carefully
very
or?
soft.
Yeah. The name suits you, huh? Extreme Bull. Okay, that is done. Yeah. And then the front light. So we had to measure it from a subscriber from us. We need to measure the distance between the light. Let's see.
Is that not good? Yeah.
Let's see the distance from the screw holes. It's perfectly 10 centimeters. So 10 centimeters. Voila.
Yeah, looking at that.
Yeah. So you can put an aftermarket light, whatever you want, so it doesn't stropic. Huh? It's like on and out all the time. Huh? Yeah. Those are the little screws, and now the front light. It's the same distance. Right? Yeah, so there are two little screws.
Nee, ik kan dat niet doen.
Okay. So I will measure the front. It will be the same, I guess. It's gonna be the same, but just to make sure. So the screw holes line up.
Yeah, perfectly 10.
Perfectly 10 centimeters between the shells. So where you mount the front or the tail light, 10 centimeters. Yeah. Now we're gonna remove the front bumpers or handles, whatever you want to call them. Yeah. Wait. It's this one. Yeah, and the little ones. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Okay, this one is here. They're really nice material, huh? Really strong. You had a lot of crashes on it, even on pavement, huh? On road,
a lot
off-road.
of things. And a lot of off-road.
So it's yogi proof?
It's yogi proof.
Ah, okay. You want the smaller
Yeah,
one?
I want that one.
Ah, there it is. Voilà. So now at the back, remove those. Now we can.
Maar even, dit is een plat, hè?
Yeah. This one.
No,
Does
too
it
big.
fit? No. Oh. Yeah. So one stripped the screw. So it's a flat now. For your own wheel it will be like this, huh? Okay.
But we fix it.
Yeah. So we removed all this. We have here all the. Just put it in little boxes or containers, so you know you use every screw. Then you know you put it back together on the right way. So, Jori, let's turn the wheel. You can put it at the back or at the front. I would say the back. No, don't remove those yet. First, we're gonna open the side. Let's see. Just put it like this. So we removed all the screws on this side, as you can see, to here, and then the bumpers and everything. Then we removed those two, and now we can just open this case, and we're gonna see what's inside, how it looks. Yeah, you can just pull it to the side, take a bigger one. Yeah, open it up like this. This is inside. Hey, the suspension looks quite good, as you can see. This is all the mud that went inside. Here it looks okay. Wacht, ik ga even. Let me remove the lens so we can see a sharper image. As you can see what I did here at the back, I made a little fender here at the back. You can just take some really thin plastic and just put it at the back. As you can see, there's not a lot of mud inside. So yeah, it looks fine. There's not a single drop of oil here, so that's really good. I think they are better sealed than what is it called, the lubricants. Yeah, it looks really good. And as you can see, the travel used is till here, so it bottoms out here, I think, because it doesn't go further. I think that is the travel you use. So it looks fine. Also here, everything looks fine. The bearing is still good. There's not grinding noises. I had bearing problems here at the extreme. This is gonna be the third motor they sent me. As you can see, there's another one. It's gonna be the third one, so I can replace it. I have big bearings here. I have them already. So, okay.
And I drive a lot of water.
Yeah, a lot of mud, water, snow actually also.
Everything, yeah.
Snow, everything. So as you can see, it looks fine, but there's some kind of peeping noise, and we're gonna look where it comes from. Maybe the fender or something, or yeah, maybe here. Does it rub here? No.
Let's clean it and then check it.
Yeah. I'm gonna see. Maybe on the other side where the motor cable is, or is it? Yeah, it's at the other side. So yeah, it looks fine. Looks fine. The inspection, yeah. There's no damage whatsoever, so that's good. The bigger tire rubs here, as you can see, here and here. Maybe with the other tire it will be much better. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and there's really a lot of wear on this tire. It's not grippy anymore. So we're gonna put the original. So we're gonna do at this, the other side. Remove the 4 screws here, the little ones, then the 2 on top, then the 2 on the bottom, and you open it up, and we will remove the axle bolts, and we take out the motor, and we replace the tire. I will show you this in a sec.
Zo. Zie? Ja, dat is die. Dus als we hier een rubberken op doen,
Ja.
kijk, je vuilt tot hier.
Ja.
Dus stel je voor als ik spring,
Die gaat omhoog.
die gaat omhoog. Hè?
Die komt hier
En die
tegen.
komt ting daar tegen. Want kijk, ik heb daar slijtage van mijn kabel. Van die.
Ja.
Dus af en toe komt die daar tegen.
Ja.
Dus ja, dan gaat...
En je kunt het hier ook zien.
Maar
Daar opzij. Kijk, hier.
Ah, dan hier zo. Dat bedoelt je?
Ja.
Ja, ik zie het niet goed, maar... Kijk, hè, dus als die zo staat, nou ja, dan is die tank dat er tegen.
Kijk hier, ja.
Ja, ik zie, ja.
Dit je aan die kant.
Ja. Ja.
Dus daar moeten we een moesje rond doen.
Ja, maar dat is zo
Tapen.
erg daar.
Maar hier doet hij het ook.
Daar zie die ook. Ja, maar dat is die, hè. Hier, hè. Dat hier, hè.
Ah ja,
Ja.
dat is die kabel.
Maar dat maakt niet uit, Robin. Gewoon.
Nee, dat doorslijt. We moeten gewoon kijken bij de kabel al. Hè.
Maar ik zou wel...
So guys, as we can see, there's a little bit of rubbing. It's the motor cable, it rubs a little bit. And the fender, when you do big jumps and you bottom it really out, or almost, it will hit the top of the underneath the headlight.
Right, you see?
So when you jump, it goes here.
Yeah.
And that's why
Yeah, I think...
take off these screws.
Die bovenste ook, hè?
Yeah. So we can first take off all the bumpers and everything before, and then only these 4 screws. So. Nice, yeah. Now you're on top. You can maybe do the bottom with the big flat screwdriver. So they're all the same length. Yeah, looks straight. So this one's also good. We're gonna clean it up. Headshot.
Ik moet buiten spelen, dat ik het leuk vind en normaal vind.
Ja, zeker, dat is altijd. Toen we laatst nog zo gaan fietsen in de regen, schilderde bomen, vond ik wel leuk. Wait, Jörg, the autopsy. Let's put the camera. And looks really clean. We open it up after like 500 k's, 500 kilometers. Oh, it looks good, huh?
Very nice.
Very good, guys. There's only a little bit of mud, and yeah, it works. Is there a little bit oil? No, maybe no.
Well, you see?
I don't know. It's a little bit, as you can see here. Is it, or maybe it's still a little bit wet, or a little bit, maybe.
I think it's more wet than
It's
oil,
not
I think.
no? It's not oil sticky.
No, I think it's the mud from yesterday.
Ah, yeah, you went yesterday also a little bit wet, and you didn't. You put it in the van or at the heating?
No, just in the van.
Ah,
and no,
then it's maybe possible. Ah, but let's see this here. Here was a problem, I think, where it rubs inside here. Is this still happening, or did we remove this issue? Because it's still muddy here, or? Wat denk jij, Jorg?
geen idee.
Kijk eens hier.
Ik zie niet wat je wil zeggen. Dat dat hier schuurt.
Before it rubbed here.
Ja.
And now? Because here's your cable, as you can see.
Looks better, huh?
See, there's no wear here. No, only there. First it was rubbing here, as you can see. There's no, you can see bare metal.
No touching cable here, huh?
No, that's good. Really important, guys, to check this, because if your cable is hitting the inside of here, as you can see here, then yeah, that is not good after a while. So yeah, looks fine the inside. I think the noise was coming from hitting the fender and the light here at the bottom. It hits here and it makes a sound.
But yeah, maybe with some mush here.
Yeah,
We can
I'm gonna
fix
put something here so it doesn't.
Yeah, look, you see the marks from the light, from the ripples of the light.
Here you can see the damage also. Look, wait, I zoom in. As you can see, guys, if you have a pingy noise, metal on metal, it is the fender hitting the good inspection, Dr. York. Then he was always having the mindfuck of, hey, the suspension, there's something wrong with my suspension. And we found the problem. So
found the thing.
if you take a big drop or jump, this will go to the...
This light is here and then this is touching
and
each
this
other.
will touch because you go in, suspension goes in and you hear the noise. So yeah, we found this. You can see the rubbing there a little bit. See? Because when you jump and you compress the suspension, it rubs here, but there's no damage here, so that's fine. Maybe you can also tape it in a little bit more. We try to tape this here a little bit, but we're gonna do it again and then better. So yeah, there's a lot of dirt, huh? I have a good brush here. Yeah. This one with the fine hairs.
No, but first I have to do the heavy part. Watch out, eh?
Holes.
Yeah, we played good yesterday.
So yeah, that's why I told you this wheel is really solid and strong build after now 1,250.
This is a little bit loose.
Oh yeah, the screws. There are screws here.
I think here,
Yeah, we can open up this case. And then we screw it.
And look, there is a small screw, so I think also there one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's loose a little
and
bit.
then on the front is complete. Yeah, front is out. That's, that's maybe also a thingy. Look, the front screw.
Yeah,
I don't think you're gonna see from the top.
No, so the fender it is attached with two little screws here, or one little screw here, one little screw there, and one is missing, I think. So we're gonna replace it also. So you open up the sides really far. You can do it really far. Maybe go a little bit more on this side, so it's more the whole wheel. So we can open up there also. Zal ik die een beetje naar daar doen? Yeah. So you open this up, then we're gonna remove the axle bolts. We're gonna remove the axle bolts. So, guys, you open up like this. You're gonna remove the axle bolts this side, and you just take out the motor with the tire, and we're gonna replace it. But I will show you this also. So from this side, looks fine, huh? It's all
very good.
But you need to maintain it now and then. I think after 1,000, maybe 2,000 if you do light off-roading. But if you do heavy off-road, 1,500. But if it doesn't leak, we're not going to open it. No?
Nope.
It's fine, huh?
Now I know also what the pingy noise is. And yeah, for the rest, I jump a lot and sometimes I'm afraid. But you still do good. Yesterday I did jump from... For sure 1 meter high. Was very okay.
It's raining a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Mama, nu komt ook op het filmpje, hè? Nu komt ook op het filmpje.
Others get famous in America.
Okay. Let's remove the axle bolts. Het is wel iets te fel licht, Jörg. Zet die een tikje lager. Ja, zo is perfect. So be very careful. They're still tight, huh? That's good.
Was okay.
But I have new Loctite. I didn't even put Loctite on it, so it's good. But I really like this design. I keep mentioning it. The CNC design of this is much better than the Lippekens because the suspension goes inside and here also inside the motor casings. So that's really nice.
Always better with the machine. Huh?
Yeah, we can do this now. If you have a power tool, never do the start or you will damage the threading. The threading, that's, ooh, yeah, really. See, it needs a little bit more Loctite after this. You can, wait, put it on 18. Yeah, then it will. A little bit more then.
Yeah, but
Oké, we hebben nog een potje doen. Kunt u nog één keer verder zetten? Nee, je kunt dat heel rustig. Gewoon. Dit is ver genoeg. Nu is het wel.
Ah, oké.
Ja, dit is misschien te ver, dan gaat hij tikken. Voilà. And they're still straight, hè?
Oh, that's good.
Okay. And the good thing why they don't get loose is because there's friction, because it squeezes a bit. Because it squeezes, it stays on really tight. So I'll just remove those. Voila. Now we remove the cable. Take a screwdriver, maybe this one here. It's a little bit tiny.
Better.
Yeah. So important to put this one really flat again.
Uh-oh.
Oh. That's the good quality, guys. There it is. No, here. I can see it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to fix this maybe, or it's really small little screw. Yeah, this one. You need to do it like this. It's really hard to take this cable out. It sits really good in there, but it's hard to get out. But so guys, here is one spacer, and they sit there. So,
From here.
but yeah, it's from there. It's perfect. We put it with the axle screws here. So now you pull it at the, no,
To the top.
to the top, as you can see here. Yeah, you pull it and then to the back. Make sure this, yeah. Like this. Okay.
Still looks okay, huh?
Yeah, this is the seal. This is the seal. It's really good. After the seal, otherwise mud, and you can see how gritty it is. This is the spacer. We need to look how it sits. Sometimes it's helpful if you put a little bit greasy and then it sticks to this. So we're gonna put this here a little bit so we don't damage it. Yeah, and now we remove. Oh, what is this? Wait, I take the pick, the toothpick. Here we are. There's dirt everywhere, huh? It looks like tobacco, huh? It's tobacco, huh? At the nozzle, yeah. But okay.
It's not 100%.
Now we deflate it. We take something like this. Yeah, you can unscrew this here. Oh, it's so loose. Or there's a lot of dirt in. Then we can clean it off a bit. Ja, een beetje naar boven. Nee, naar boven laten gaan. Okay, like this. We're gonna put it very carefully here. Yeah.
I'll put it inside.
Okay, and now yeah, a tire change. I hope you can do this. I don't have to demonstrate this. So yeah, maybe you can give a few tips, but you use these things. So as you can see, guys, this is the process you do. It's really easy. You don't have to disconnect any wiring whatsoever, so that's fine. And you're just gonna remove the tire, put the other one on.
You could see the plastic what you put.
Ah, yeah, that's a good idea. Also here the fenders. Now we can see at the fender, right? See how the fenders, and this plate I made myself, and this side it's really good for keeping the dirt out because you don't have any protection here. And here there are the little screws of the fender, and there, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna put it back together after the tire. So this is the process you do, guys. Hope this is clear for you. So we put a little bit of grease here. So you see it's a really tiny spacer, so it stays on the right screw holes. So just take a little bit of grease so it sticks, so when you place it back it stays in place. So now we're gonna just turn the wheel up like this. Ja. Oh, ik ben in de film. Ja, zet die maar even zo midden. Die hier over. And then we go to the front, but you need to align. And this side we're gonna do the same. So yeah, it is sealed up inside. The motor cable, as you can see, there's enough silicone so no water gets inside. That's good. So now we're just gonna put everything back together. Put some grease here a little bit, not on the holes, the screw holes. And there's the spacer.
Okay.
Because the spacer needs to go on like this and not like this. That's why if you put some little bit of grease. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, and then this will stick to it. Yeah. Now it stays normally, yeah, like this. And then put it back together. So we're back to this process, guys. The tire is there. We're gonna put something here for the noise. Yep. Okay. So the mud guard is. You chewed it, huh? Okay. So yeah, everything's back together. We're gonna put all the Yeah, the bumpers on and the lights, and then we're gonna test it again. So as you can see, it's a very simple process, and yeah, you can do this if you have some tools and some help, and you don't lose your screws. There's my future rider.
Oh, that
Huh?
is like my future wife.
No. Louis, hey. Louis, yo. Hallo, Zwijns. Hey.